Hello again, and greetings from Japan. It's April the 26th, and here's another very nice Toyota Alphard. It's the MNH 15, so it's the 3-liter V6 four-wheel drive. So this is the four-wheel drive version. It's got 65,000 miles, or 106,000 kilometers. And it's just a very nice example. Okay, so let's take a look around. It also has the twin sunroofs. So the combination of four-wheel drive and sunroofs is not so common. So here we are. Anyway, just a really nice car. It was graded 3.5, but it was purely cosmetic. It's a very nice car. It's okay. Standard 17-inch alloy wheels. Nice clean body. No scratches on the wing mirrors or the door panels. Oh, tiny little thing there somewhere. Oh, there we are. So this camera sometimes stalls once in a while. It's also got the hands-free entry and locking. So that's very nice. Yeah, I'm sorry, the camera is stalling once in a while. Not sure why it's doing that. But, oops. Oh, there we go. Hopefully you won't do it again. Okay. And if anybody knows why it does that, could let me know. Nice, clean alloys with, yeah, certainly very usable radial tires. Another nice corner. Perfect rear. So the same on the back door, locking, opening and locking. This has the dealer option bumper guard, which is a nice little touch, nice little chrome add-on. It's the V6. Let's look inside. This one also has the power rear gate, which I will demonstrate in a minute. Works perfectly. It's got combination leather Alcantara seats, which are in excellent condition. Really, really clean. Headlining with sunroofs, as you can see. That's the power door lever. Okay, well, I can demonstrate it right here because it's got a button on the back, and there we go. But it also remotely works from your key fobs. And standard muffler. No scratches there. Okay. Going down the near side. Another clean standard 17-inch. And there we go. We've got some touch-up scratches there in the most common spot. I presume it's a very blind area when you're turning left. These cars are quite large, as you can see. It's got cameras built into the wing mirror, side cameras. 2006, so it's a 56 plate with 65,000 miles, four-wheel drive. Nice clear HFS and HID headlights, so it's getting late here. And again, nice paint on the bumper, no fading at all on the chrome or the bonnet. Just really good, clean car. Okay, so we'll use the remote to unlock it. Oh, it's already unlocked. Okay, take a little look inside. Hope you not to forget to show the sliding doors. Okay, here's the Alcantara leather combination, and as you can see, it's in perfect condition. It's very, very nice, and that's true for all the seats. And obviously if the driver's seat is that nice, you can pretty much guarantee the rest of the car is also very nice, including the armrests and the driver mat. Yeah, there's a little bit of wear there from the heel, but nothing much. And here's your window controls, your remote door controls, your rear fog light switch. There again, the switch is there, but there's no fog light. We just install the standard switch to make it a little bit easier, for those that do the final MOT. And here we have the half veneer leather steering wheel, again in very nice condition, and the door card. As you can see, the steps. Okay, coming into the car. And remember all the features this one has. Okay, let's put the key in. Full set of keys, 2 remotes and 2 fobs. Okay, see 106,000 kilometers showing, or the equivalent of 65,000 miles. Actually, I think it's just touching 66 with the 800 extra. Okay, it's a 4-wheel drive car. It's again positively a non-smoker. All the little cupboards all working. Gear shift knob. For the mileage, in amazing condition. Some owners really do take care of their cars, and they're the nice ones to buy. Yeah, full set of manuals. It's got to be a one-owner car. It's even got the original things that come with the car and the stickers and all the rest of it. Anyway, not sure about that. It's got the sunroofs. It's got the tilting front roof, and of course the power rear roof. If I lived in the UK again, I definitely want the pleasure of a sunroof. Get as much sunshine as you can. In Japan, to be honest with you, they're not so desirable, because when the summer hits, the sun is very strong, and I don't know, but in the winter it's nice. And on this side, this one has rear camera with the guidance, and it also has various views, side views, and yeah, the side camera, the the very front, and the views to the sides of the front, which can be useful when you're coming out of a very tight road onto a busier road. Okay, and what else does it have we haven't shown you? No, I think that's about it for the interior. Yeah, of course, automatic. All windows are automatic. As long as the battery hasn't been disconnected, then you have to do it again. But yeah, I think that's about it. Good. Oh yeah, the cup holders, all fine, front and yeah. As I say, the seats are just very, very nice. Just really nice to get into a good, clean car. Let's take a look at the sliding door operation. Okay, I'm going to plug the mic in. Okay, and where are we? Okay, so we've got the two sliding doors. You already saw the rear one, although I can demo it again. So this one has triple remote doors. Okay, I'll just stop this one and open it again to show you the interior. Again, very clean steps and carpets. Nice combination leather Alcantara. Okay. And the same in the back. You get the impression some of these cars are owned by people who definitely had no kids. Anyway, you do see it actually quite a lot in Japan. Even young couples buying these massive great cars. And they have no kids or nothing. They are very popular. And they are very nice to travel in. Okay, here's your engine compartment. It's got a lot of stickers on it. It's been well serviced. Just a well cared for car. And let's take a look at the auction sheet. This is sourced from a Toyota auction. It actually came from a Toyota dealer. It's year 1811, which translates to 2006 November, 106,000 kilometers, which translates, well, actually to 66,000 miles with the 882 CMS. Premium selection, four-wheel drive, NH15. TAA grade 3.5. That typically a TAA grade 3.5 is a 4 in any other auction. TAA are very particular with their grading, especially their own cars. And as I've said before, the auction grading is computerized depending on how many little A's and W's and U's and B's there are on a auction sheet. It's not left up to the the arbitrary decision of a guy who's checked 300 cars and is exhausted. It had a B3 there, which was actually a soft dent, which we've now remedied. It's gone. There is no dent there. The U2 on that section there is actually not the exterior of the car. It's actually the back step or the back panel. So often that's a reason for a car being a 3.5. And here there's not much. It does mention engine oil, but there again, being a Toyota auction, they are very particular. We've had a mechanic check over the engine. There's no serious leaks at all. It does say a mirror doesn't work. We've repaired that. I believe we changed the whole mirror. Sometimes they don't fold. The folding mechanism gives up. So we've replaced that, and then it's just minor things it says about the steering wheel, the shift knob, the seat, touch paint. It's bumper A. I mean, kind of pointless description, really. Anyway, it's a genuinely nice car, despite the mileage. The mileage is fairly high. It's 106, but as I say, whoever took care of it was a very conscientious owner. So here we have it, and I hope this is recording. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, there we have it. 2006 November M&H 15 four-wheel drive, twin sunroofs with 66,000 miles. Just another nice car looking for a new home. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll speak again. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.